Good morning, traders. Happy Saturday. I've got some very important news for you if you haven't heard about it yet. The urgent news is that the Fsca, the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, has filed an urgent application to liquidate JP Markets, and JP Markets have got their bank accounts frozen. So let's read this article by Sizwe Dlamini, writing for IOL on July the 8th. The Fsca on Wednesday filed an urgent application with the High Court to liquidate JP Markets and announced that the bank accounts of the Forex powerhouse had been frozen. The Fsca said it would like to inform the public, particularly clients of JP Markets, that the freezing of the bank accounts meant that JP Markets would no longer be able to operate on these accounts, and they would remain frozen for the specific duration in terms of legislative parameters. This, after the provisional suspension of the license of JP Markets, which the Fsca previously reported on 19th of June 2020, subsequent to the reasonable belief that substantial prejudice to clients or the general public may occur if they continue rendering financial services. The authority has taken these steps as it believes that JP Markets has contravened financial sector laws, including but not limited to running an unlicensed over-the-counter derivatives provider, ODP, business. All ODP providers need to be licensed by the Fsca, it said in a statement. Members of the public are reminded that derivatives platform trading, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this is the important part. The authority said on June 22nd that it had decided to provisionally suspend the FSP license pursuant to the commencement of an investigation into the contravention of certain financial sector laws by JP Markets, and this is the important bit, I think, and numerous complaints received from clients based on JP Markets' failure to honor clients' withdrawal requests. So I think this is the big thing. I think this is how it started. Some people complained to the Fsca that they weren't getting their withdrawals, and so the Fsca decided to investigate. During the period of JP Markets' provisional suspension, it is also not permitted to take on any new businesses. The Fsca warned the public that JP Markets is not authorized as an OTC derivative provider and is therefore not permitted as a regular feature of its business and acting as a principal to originate, sell, issue, or make a market in OTC derivatives. I don't quite know what OTC derivatives are, so I'm not going to comment on that. But I think what happened is that JP Markets had a problem with the withdrawals. They claimed it was because of COVID, but I don't think so. I think that was just an excuse. And people started complaining, and they complained to the regulator, and that's how JP Markets got into trouble. So if you are trading with them, which are the brokers that are good alternatives for South African traders especially? These are my favorites. Number one, Blackstone Futures. They got an office in Rosebank, and I think they're just great. I've been with them for over 5 years now, mainly as an IB. I do have a few copy trading accounts, and if anyone's interested, I can tell you more about them. Leave a comment below if you're interested in Blackstone Futures copy trading accounts. But even their live accounts are super, super, super cool. They are purely an A-book broker. They don't trade against you, no B-booking thing, and I just think they're great. Next one is QuickTrade. QuickTrade is an exclusively B-book broker, but they are very, very upfront about their trading. They have very low swaps. They charge you a fee, a commission fee. It's quite high, but they do give you free signals, and they've got daily training. They've got platform training. They've got daily live trading rooms where you can trade along with a mentor. They even give you a mentor. And most importantly for people like me who are IBs, they've got a 3-tier affiliate system where you can earn from recruiting other traders. So very cool. QuickTrade is my number 2 option. Number 3 is RMD Trader. Also a new broker that I've just come up with. Like Blackstone Futures, they are a purely A-book broker, and like QuickTrade, they've got a multi-tier affiliate program that they are running on their system. So these three brokers, I think, are really cool, really important if you're wanting to continue trading. I don't think you'll be able to get your money out of JP Markets just at the moment. They'll probably have to go through a liquidation, being declared bankrupt, get some people involved to pay out traders and to pay out creditors. So, yeah, bad news for all JP Markets traders. And yeah, just don't sign up. You can't sign up anyway. Let me show you why. Let's log into JP Markets backend. Here they've got a saying, dear clients, due to our provisional suspension, we have removed all payment gateways until further notice. They can't take money, basically. I'm going to try and do a withdrawal. I do have 470 Rand sitting in this trading in this account, and I'm going to try and withdraw it. I go to withdrawals, enter the amount, submit the request. Here we go. I've requested this small amount of 470 Rands, and yeah, I hope they do send the money to me, but I'm not holding out any hope for that. If we just go and take a look at the payments that I have received over the last few days, we can have a look at what happened to JP Markets since the announcement was made. So JP Markets was far and away the most popular broker on my website. And some of you may know that I used to work with JP Markets last year. I was an employee. I was the sales manager in the KZN office, and I earned quite a decent salary. And for the last few months of my IB relationship with JP Markets, I also received the worth of my salary in IB rebates. So I was earning quite a bit from JP Markets, and this is not devastating news for me, but just really very, very, very sad news. And you can see here that I was up to earning like 1,000 Rands a day. On very good days, I did earn 7,000 Rands. So things were really looking up for me. And then towards the end, it really just dried out. 14 Rands on that day. I did start picking up again, and on Friday, that's Thursday, I did earn quite a bit. So it started picking up again, but now it's going to be all dead. So for traders, IBs, anyone interested in trading, we can't deal with JP Markets any longer. They are most probably going to be closed down. And if you'd like to continue trading, then please check out the alternatives. I will leave links to all of these brokers down below. And if you need any help, then please get in touch and send me a message. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.